So hi guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to talk about DeepSeek AI model, which is R1. So recently Chinese company China has launched their own AI model. It's beating ChatGPT's OpenAI model. So OpenAI O1. So basically it has crushed the OpenAI model DeepSeek. So in this video we are going to discuss about this DeepSeek and how to install in your desktop. So it is basically for launched in China only. So in India it is not available. So for Chinese users it is available and other country regions. So you can see here their app details. So it is available for some regions only. It is not supported in India. So soonly they will launch in India also, but in Play Store also available, but it is applicable for US user and other region user. So let's move on to the video. So DeepSeek is nothing but it is a old model, but they have developed by their employees to playing by machine learning and AI models by training day and night. They have they have actually included a technique called reinforcement learning. So they have used reinforcement learning and by creating AI models. So to train AI models, we we want many dollars. So actually it is developed using $5 million. So it is as cheap as AI model for training. So it is one of the cheapest AI model and also it is a open source model. So basically you can go and search in GitHub. So I will search in GitHub. So you can search here DeepSeek. So here we can see guys. So DeepSeek model have launched it. So you can see. So guys, here you need to see the DeepSeek R1 model. So it is the updated version. So you can see their documents and read. So you can see here guys, this has setted a next level benchmark to OpenAI. So it is the achieved the level of OpenAI and also bet the benchmarks of OpenAI. So the biggest model of OpenAI is OpenAI O1. So it has setted the benchmarks. So DeepSeek is very next level model. So it is the trending model. So guys, you can see the charts mentioned here. So it is the DeepSeek. So it has nearly setted a next level benchmark. So and it is also easily available on App Store and Play Store. So Google Play Store, and it is helpful for Android and iOS users. So you can check out guys after they launch their model in India. So and also yesterday the global tech sell of happened. So due to US stock market price have gone. So So you can see guys, US stock market has gone down. So and Nvidia share price are also gone down up to 14%. So yesterday you can see that up to 16% the Nvidia share share price has gone. So for that reasons only yesterday's US stock market was down, and global tech sell-off has happened overnight. So and also OpenAI's revenue was also down. So they have to face a huge loss via DeepSeek R1 model. So now we are going to see how to install DeepSeek in our desktop. So first you need to install Olama. So you need to install Olama in your desktop. So I will show you guys. So for me the Windows. So I am downloading Windows. So you can see guys here. Click on downloads and click on save. It will automatically downloads. After downloading, I will see you guys. So guys, we can see here the download is going to finish. So after downloading, so you can open the setup. So guys, we have successfully downloaded it, and double click on this. So you will redirect. So you need to install. Clicking on install. So after install, you will come to this window. So guys, the installation was successfully done. So you can check out here. So you can see here the app Olama. So first we need to download model. So you can see here is the model. So you can I am going to download the smallest version of 1.5 billion parameters. So click on this and click on copy and open Olama. So I am opening here. So it will take time guys for opening. So actually guys, you need to open your Windows PowerShell. So you need to open this Windows PowerShell. So previously we have copied. We are pasting and click on enter. So it will pull the manifest and run. It is about 1.1 GB file. So after completing it, we will return back to our screen. So guys, it is going to complete the download. So you can see here. So the next step, that's all guys. You need to give your prompt to the DeepSeek. It will give your answers in few minutes. So let's see guys how this AI model works. So I think you should do something next level by using this AI model. It is like same like ChatGPT. So you can ask any question. So I will ask. So write a tic-tac-toe game. So using HTML, CSS and JS. So it will write tic-tac-toe game. So for the first time I have installed. In order to maintain the GPU power, it will run slow, but after some time it will run fast. So after the completion we will return right. So guys, basically you can see that it has created a tic-tac-toe game in few seconds. So for the first time it will reload for slow according to the GPU speed of your PC. So after some time it will give a fast immediate action. So guys, the another thing I need to tell you that it has also is its web version. So you can see here, so deepseek.com. So you can see, go to deepseek.com and click on this free access. So you can log in with your Google account and ask anything. So it is free like ChatGPT, guys. So hope this video helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and hope I will see you next time. So thank you guys.